Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the onfocus event. So what this is does is whenever we click on a insert element or the text input, it gonna change anything. This this event called, and you can use to trigger a function. So I'm gonna use that example for that. So first, what I'm gonna do is here what I'm gonna do first, uh, remove all of that. That's the first thing. So what I'm gonna do, input wait, what the heck, man, input into 2, just, and it will be text, and the other one, we will, what I'm gonna do, uh, it would be I'm gonna give a ID and F name, which stands for first name if you don't know, and it would have the ID of last name, so L name. L name, right? So now what I'm gonna do is type the first name as a first input, and second name, or you can say the last name. The moment we do that, we will have this two properties, and now it can trigger a function with on focus whenever it focus. So we don't have any function right now, so we need to create a function. I'm not gonna teach you any JavaScript though, but you can, if you can understand, that would be a good. And anyone who is familiarity with backend languages, he will understand what I'm doing. So function, and I will gonna name my function, okay, and I'm gonna pass the parameter x, which we're gonna use the inside that. So document dot get element get element by ID, and we're gonna pass x inside that. And now what I'm gonna do, use the dot style. So whenever we do that, we're gonna change the style of background. See, this is the way you can change that. I have a full detailed explanation in my JavaScript DOM tutorials. If you want, you can check those out. So, and we're gonna change into yellow whenever it focus. And now how you gonna pass a parameter inside that? Easy, just use my function, and inside those we're gonna pass x. And now how we gonna give a x? So this represents this line dot ID, which represent this one. We gonna do the same here, my function, and we're gonna pass as a parameter this dot ID. So this dot ID, and the moment we do that, we have first name and second name. The moment we click, it becomes yellow. It doesn't matter the order. Whenever it clicked, it gonna trigger the function and change into a color of yellow, I mean. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.